Hey guys, so today I'm going to be reviewing the Blue Key World cable clip organizers. And I just want to let you know this is a sponsored video. Blue Key World did send me the cable clip organizers to review. If you're interested in buying them, click the link to Amazon in the description box. If you use my promo code NEWCOME384, you'll get a 10% discount if you buy through Amazon. Also, if you thought this video was helpful, don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe. So normally when I do reviews, I always start with the cons first. That way we end on a good note. So with that said, here comes the cons. So the first con is if your cable isn't wide enough and you're fighting gravity, the cable is going to end up falling through. So one quick fix you could do for this is to turn the organizer clip just a little bit sideways. That way that doesn't happen. Since the bottoms are sticky, you only get one stick and that's it. One suggestion I think is to maybe use Velcro instead. That way you can move them around if you need to. And that's basically it for the cons. So on to the pros we go. The first pro is I like that they're very small and compact. The next pro is the area that you put the cable through is flexible, but at the same time it's firm where you can handle a couple of cables and it'll still be okay. I like that these things totally help you organize your cables and makes everything look nice and neat. They'll stick to just about any surface. And I like that they have a good quality feel and they don't feel very cheap. So that's basically it for the pros and cons. My final thought is I think that everyone could use some of these around their house to organize some of their cables. Maybe in your office or around the entertainment center. And I think it's a good product. I definitely recommend them to organize some of your clutter around your house. So don't be shy, hit that link and buy some of these from Amazon. If you thought this video was helpful, don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe, and thanks for watching.